special milestone, the graduation of grade 10 and grade 12 students, it is also a moment to look back and cherish the beautiful journey we have shared together.
Behind every successful student, there stands a group of dedicated teachers who always guided, inspired, and supported our every step. Their memories are treasures for us.
Now, it gives me immense pleasure to invite our respected teachers to share their cherished memories, experiences, and blessings for the graduating batch.
May I first request Usharani ma'am to kindly come onto the stage and share a few words with us.
To our guiding lights, Correspondent Rama ma'am and Principal Nalini ma'am, Academic Director Kiran sir, all my heads, respected teachers, supportive parents, and my dear students. Today, we stand at very special threshold. One beautiful chapter closing and another exciting one waiting to be written. Children, this is your day. We gather here to celebrate you. Let's also honor the journey that brought you to this moment. This day is not just about diplomas, it's about transformation. And the transformation we celebrate today is not just academic, it's holistic. A culmination of years of hard work, late nights, all highs and lows, emotional growth, and quiet victories. At this moment, I would like to thank our respected correspondent and principal ma'am. Why? Because every parent, from the moment their child is born, have a dreams of giving them the best healthy food, a safe and hygienic environment, and most importantly, a good education. When it comes to education, they place their children in what they believe are safe and caring hands. Today, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our correspondent Rama ma'am and our principal Nalini ma'am for being those trusted hands. The love, care, and guidance they show on our students go far beyond academics. They nurture them like a second mother. As a teacher, I sincerely thank them for creating such a supportive and nurturing environment where our students can grow, learn, and shine. On behalf of entire SJS family and every child and parent in this hall, I thank both of you, ma'am. Our brilliant grade 12 students, congratulations to all of you. Today, as I look at each one of you, I see not just graduates, but future leaders and change makers of the world. And yet, in our heart, we still carry the sweetest memory of all of you as babies. Our sports captain Karunish, Yogesh, Taniksha, Mahamitra, Sri Ritika joined our school in the kindergarten, who grown up before our eyes. Our carom prodigies, Lokesh and Rishika. Lokesh joined in the grade 3. Rishika joined us in the grade 6. Our future economist, Pavan Kumar, in the grade 1. Vishal, grade 3. Shanjita, grade 5. Humble girl Ashvika joined SJ's family in the grade 8. Some of you found your way to us in class 6. Our head boy Ritvik, Shakti Srinidhi, and Payal Ratu. They brought fresh energy and new perspective. And then Sadhana joined us 2 years back, quickly became an integral part of Sri Jayam family. Each one of you came with your unique talents and abilities that made class of 2025 truly special. But what touched me the most was your personalized card and gifts made for your seniors on their farewell day celebration. That was really awesome. You all took prank day on April 1st to another level last year. These memories will bring smiles to all of our faces long after you have left the corridors of our school. Each one of you is unique. Each one of you is special. And together, you have created memories that will always remain close to our hearts. You are a batch of extraordinary students who will be remembered not just for achievements in academics, sports, music, and art, but also for your unity and uniqueness. It is because of children like you, Sri James School has been recognized as one of the best ICSE and ISE school in Vellore for over 17 consecutive years. My dear class of 2025, today you go from being Sri James students to proud members of our diaspora. As you step into new life beyond these walls, remember there is always be someone who understands you, supports you, and advises you. They are your seniors and fellow alumni, our diaspora. Yes, our students are everywhere. Your seniors are placed in well-reputed colleges, VIT, Panimalar, Savita, Rajalakshmi Engineering College, Vellore Christian Medical College, Annai Meera. Last batch student Sugandhan doing MBBS in Volgograd State Medical University, Russia. Always remember, you're truly never alone. That is the power of belonging. That is the power of community. That is the power of strength of our SJS family. Speaking of family, I would like to thank and honor all the parents and grandparents gathered here. I know that is a deeply emotional day for all of you. On behalf of the entire school, I want to thank you for sharing this beautiful journey for us. Thank you for trusting us with your children and for the faith you have in Sri James School. I would like to thank our heads, teachers, and staff. In today's time, the role of an educator becomes even more profound and more precious. You are more than teachers. You are mentors, life coaches, role models. You offer steadiness in an ever-changing world. You offer clarity when things feel confusing and calm, when emotions run high. You are the anchors our children turn to in moments of doubt, joy, discovery, and excitement. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to our principal Nalini ma'am, correspondent Rama ma'am, academic director Mr. Kiran sir for their constant monitoring and deep understanding of our students' needs. To extend my sincere gratitude to our principal Nalini ma'am, correspondent Rama ma'am, academic director Mr. Kiran sir for their constant monitoring and deep understanding of our students' needs. Their ability to observe, guide, and take timely action has made a great difference in shaping our students' growth. The way they have adapted schedules, systems, and approaches from time to time according to what is best for the students truly reflects their dedication and vision. Their leadership ensures that every child gets the right support at the right time, and for that we are deeply thankful. Class of 2025, wherever you go in the world, your SJS family will always be your first friends, your loudest cheerleaders, and your biggest supporter for life. All the very best, and congratulations to each and every one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for those heartfelt words and wonderful memories.
Next, I would like to invite Nazima ma'am to address the gathering.
Good evening, respected correspondent ma'am, esteemed academic director sir, beloved principal, dynamic coordinators, dear teachers, proud parents, my co-teacher, and my amazing students. Today is very special and emotional moment for me as I stand here, not just as a teacher, but as a proud class teacher, watching my students step into a new chapter of their lives. When I first met this class, they were just students sitting in front of me with notebooks and dreams. Over time, I watched them grow not only in knowledge but also in confidence, responsibility, and character. Each one of them has walked a unique journey filled with efforts, challenges, laughter, and learning. Dear students, remember that marks and achievements are important, but what truly defines you is your character, kindness, and courage. Life will present many opportunities and many obstacles, but I hope you will always face them with same determination that I have seen in this classroom. As your class teacher, I have seen your hard work, your friendship, your struggles, your victories. Every one of you have left a mark on this classroom and on my heart. Teaching you has been more than a responsibility, it's been a privilege. To all parents here today, thank you for your constant support. Thank you for trusting us with your children. Your support and encouragement have played a huge role in shaping our young minds. And to my dear students, carry the lessons what you have learned, the friendship you have built, and the values this school has given you. Dream big, work hard, stay humble, and never forget where your journey began. No matter how far you go in your life, always remember you will forever remain a part of this school family and a part of my heart. I am extremely proud of each and every one of you. Congratulations, my dear students. Your future begins here today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words.
Each memory shared today reminds us of the strong bond between these students and teachers, which is beyond classrooms and textbooks.
On the behalf of all the students, we thank our teachers for shaping not only our academic journey but also our lives.
Thank you, dear teachers, for your love, guidance, and unforgettable memories.
Graduation is a proud moment that celebrates dedication, perseverance, and success. We now move on to the course completion certificate distribution ceremony, where our students will be honored for their hard work and dedication.
Each certificate presented today is not just a document but a symbol of commitment, efforts, and the journey they have successfully completed.
To kindly present the certificate to the boys of grade 12.
Nish, truly an extraordinary sportsperson. His dedication and talent have brought him numerous medals, making our school proud again and again. One of the most memorable moments was when and Yogesh is a perfect example for that.
Our correspondent ma'am to present the certificate to the girls of grade 12. Let us encourage our students with a big round of applause as they come forward to receive their certificates.
Ashwika, though you may seem quiet, your true strength lies in your courage to face challenges. Staying away from your family to pursue the best education and joining Sri James School shows your dedication and sacrifice. Even while missing your loved ones, you remained focused and determined. Mahamitra, you have been wonderful example of consistency and dedication. Your sincere efforts and positive attitude have always stood out in the classroom. Though you may appear quiet and delicate, you are strong in spirit and determination. You have shown us that true strength comes from within. Payal, coming all the way from Rajasthan, you faced the challenge of new language and environment with a great courage. Language was never a barrier for you. It became a bridge as your kindness and determination helped you to connect with everyone. Loved by all and excellent in your studies. Rishika, our Karam prodigy, has always amazed us with her sharp thinking and focus. Along with her talent in Karam, she also shows her interest in her studies. Rishika, your father has immense hope and belief in you, and with that comes a beautiful responsibility. Shanchita, a very quiet and gentle soul. You are thoughtful in choosing your friends, always valuing character and values over everything else. As a caring and protective sister to your younger brother, you show such a deep responsibility when I see both of you. I truly understand why siblings studying in the same school can be so special. Sadhana, you are a perfect example of don't judge a book by its cover. Your strength, confidence and true character shine through once we get to know you. As a physical education student, you have shown great bravery. Shakti Srinidhi, you are a very sensitive and kind-hearted girl, and that is your true strength. The constant support and encouragement from your parents have always been your biggest motivation, standing firmly behind you at every step. Sri Ritika, you are truly beautiful both in your thoughts and in your presence. Being the only child, you are showered with immense love and care from your parents, and it clearly reflects in your kind and graceful nature. You follow a healthy lifestyle and show great discipline in everything you do. Taniksha, you are a bold, confident and energetic student who always speaks her mind with a clarity and courage. You are truly blessed with a supportive parents. Your father's deep affection and your mother's strict guidance have shaped you into a strong girl.
Now I request our academic director sir to kindly present the certificates to the boys of grade 10.
Now I call upon Akash. Akash is a silent performer who lets his results speak louder than words. His consistency and dedication are truly his greatest strength. Ashwath is a young mind full of curiosity and ambition. His courage and persistence define his work. Brijesh is an energetic and enthusiastic individual. His spirits lights up our classroom. His positive attitude and energy inspire those around him. Deena is a calm, composed, incredibly focused student. His study, efforts and determination are his true strength. Jai Harish carries a quiet confidence that speaks through his actions. His determination and steady effort makes him special. Jeevitesh is a born problem solver who never quits easily and never gives up easily. His maturity and dedication are truly commendable. Kamesh is a determined learner who never backs down from a challenge. He is a thinker who analyzes deeply before acting. Kishore Kumar is intelligent, insightful and innovative student. His discipline and sincerity make him stand out. Mohammad Zahiruddin is a quiet achiever who proves that hard work never goes unnoticed. His commitment and consistency are truly remarkable. Nevin Joel brings every energy and enthusiasm into every task he takes up. His spirit and dedication make him truly remarkable. Rahul is an independent thinker with strong opinions. His patience and persistence are truly inspiring. Sagesh is friendly, supportive and kind-hearted student. He spreads happiness wherever he goes. Sanjay approaches life with confidence and a positive outlook. His enthusiasm makes every moment meaningful. Sanjeevan is a determined soul who never backs down from challenges. His perseverance will always set him apart. Sri Ranjan is a creative mind with innovative thoughts. He adds originality to everything he does. His focus makes him truly special. Susindran is responsible and dependable classmate. Teachers and friends can always count on him. His effort will make him far in life. Santosh is a determined soul who never backs down from challenge. He carries quiet confidence that speaks through his actions. His determination and steady effort make him special. Vetrivel stands out for his sincerity and strong sense of responsibility. His focused attitude and promises bring a bright path ahead. Vikram Krishna is a focused learner who never lets distractions win. His consistency has been his greatest strength. Yoganandam is responsible, reliable and respectful student. His focus and dedication promise a bright future. She is quiet in words but powerful in thoughts. Her calm nature hides a strong determination. Dejashri is a soft-spoken girl yet deeply intelligent. She observes, understands and grows quietly. Great success awaits your steady steps. Darshini is thoughtful in words and strong in action. She handles responsibilities with maturity. Keep walking forward with confidence. Diya is a determined young girl who never backs down from challenges. Her academic journey has been inspiring. Divya Sirvi is consistent, commitment and determined student. Her resilience and hard work are truly inspiring. Harini R is a brilliant learner with positive energy. She brings life into every classroom. Her success is a proud moment. Harini TM is a brilliant young mind who has turned efforts into excellence. Her achievement today is the result of her unwavering determination. Harshini is a kind-hearted student who values friendship and learning. Her warmth and sincerity make her unforgettable. Yunishka Shri is ambitious and deeply committed student. She aims high without losing focus. Her dedication is truly remarkable. Jagadarshini proves that hard work and determination will always lead to success. Her academic excellence sets a wonderful example for others.
Next, I call upon our Kavita ma'am to kindly present the certificate to the next.
A creative soul with colorful ideas. Kirtishri is a beautiful young mind who has turned efforts into excellence. Her achievement today is the result of her strong determination and hard work. Lakshana has set a high standard of academic excellence. Her outstanding performance reflects true commitment to learning. Maunisha is brilliant in mind and beautiful in character. Her passion for learning and commitment to excellence are truly inspiring. Maithuri stands out for her sincerity and strong sense of responsibilities. Her focused attitude promises a bright path ahead. Priyadarshini's smile hides powerful dreams. She is softer than she appears. Her every moment makes meaningful. Rohini is an intelligent, expressive and fearless and not afraid to shine brightly. Her dedication and hard work will take her so far. Sadhana is a sincere learner who always tries to improve her steady efforts, and positive attitude make her truly appreciated. Sanjana is a responsible student who loves values, learning and discipline. Her quiet determination guides her forward. Sejal is a determined soul who turns pressure into performance. Her steady efforts and positive attitude makes her truly admirable. Shruti approaches every task with sincerity and care. Her determination helps her grow stronger each day.
Why does school feel so outdated sometimes? We are in grade 11, not the 90s.
The world has changed, but our syllabus still the same.
Meanwhile, the future is all about AI.
Automation.
Robotics.
These are today's careers.
So, why wait till college?
To start learning future skills.
Let's bring the future.
inside the school curriculum.
Sri JM School introduces a robotics, AI in grade 11 group.